Create a new solid layer. Layer, new, solid. Go to 12 frames on the timeline. Bring up the position with the P key. Press the stopwatch. Go to the beginning of the timeline. Drag the X position till it's off the screen. Select the keyframes. Press F9 to easy ease. Go into the speed graph. Drag this handle to the left. Duplicate the layer with Ctrl D, add a fill effect, change the color. Move the layer over on the timeline. Duplicate the layer again. Change the fill color. Drag the layer on the timeline. Duplicate the layer again. Change the fill color to black. Move the layer on the timeline. Rename the layer matte. Drag your second scene into the timeline. Use the track matte pick whip connected to the matte. Preview the animation. Subscribe for more tutorials.